So from the corner of the mouse, you go down straight, then you see the most prominent part, and the lower border of the ear, you're going to connect this one. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. And then she has a very big and prominent lower jaw, so we can put one more line here. So we're going to put 5, 5.
Okay.
따가서.
Side of
Yeah. Okay, so this is a PCR tornado. So you're going to measure. Can you see the thread here?
Mm-hmm.
So you're going to measure, and then you are not going inside from here. Actually, you have to go in from here. You got it? The point, yeah. So here, you're going to go in with a slow and gentle, and you reach the goal. So when you are doing the thread, you always have to be gentle, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Don't do rough, too strong, too tough. Just go slowly, okay? And then now you are here,
Mm-hmm.
okay? So go in slowly. Yeah, you can stretch, then the better. Okay, so you put 5, and then you hold it gently, shake a little bit, take it out. Shake a little bit, take it out. Shake a little bit, take it out. Okay, so you're finished on the first line. And then here, you're going to put it here again. So actually, you have to put it from here, right? Mm-hmm. So sometimes then you can go from the other side. Okay, so here, we go from the other side. One. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Okay, so you hold it and shake a little bit, take it out. Shake a little bit, take it out. If you want to have more lifting on the jawline, actually you can also go from here. Go from here, the cannula. Then, wait, I will show. You can do this lifting as well. Okay? So maybe I will use 3 cannula from here. So from the lateral canthus, upper border, here, upper border, you make a line in the middle, and then 1 cm up. So this one, here there is a blood vessel, so you have to avoid it. Yeah, so we go maybe from, maybe here, yes. Okay, so this prominent mandibular angle, 1, 2, 3. So we lift up. Okay, this is a PCL W-type cannula. So you go inside. And then, let me see. Yeah, so you aim here. She's very prominent. We have the. So now we are here. And hold it. Shake, take it out. See, double type sometimes difficult to go in. Shake, 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 shake. Take it out.
조금밖에 없습니다, 뿌리기.
왜 조금밖에 없어?
이게 지금 다 썼어. 이거랑 조금 더.
Okay, so now we hold the 3 and try to lift up. She has some swelling here. Gentle traction. Okay, so hold it and release the tension.
You can see.
Ouais, on voit la partie droite qui est bien plus haute que la partie gauche.
It's very nice.
So this is the untreated side. And this is the treated side.
Yeah.
Can you see the line is much better?
Much better.
Yeah. So we can shape. So it's not only the lifting, we can shape the smoother contouring. Or so this one from the lateral contours, the upper border in the middle, 1 cm up. So we make entry point, 1 cm back, 1 cm front. So hold it gently. You can pull gently, you can touch it. Yes, pull gently. Yes, that's already good enough. And then we make a cutting, make a tension, go in, cut. More.
아직도 다 안 나갔습니다.
Go in, cut. Go in, cut. Okay. So released. We released the tension doing like this.